Hey guys, welcome to my channel. SAPP Bros truck stop in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm gonna show you their internet speed, and it's 100% free. You will never find it anywhere on Pilot, Petra, or anything like that. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, just a second. Okay, look how fast is the speed here, and again it's free. You don't pay for it. That is crazy. And look at the upload speed. Wow. That is impossible anywhere else. Yeah guys, one more time, that's SAPP Bros truck stop in Salt Lake City, Utah. So if you a truck driver and you need a free internet, come here. I'm in the restaurant right now, and you will get that speeds for 100% free. Thanks, bye bye.